Hi, I'm Jay Carter. I'm the lead instructor of advanced manufacturing here at Wabash Valley College. I've been in this position for a number of years, and we think we have a lot to offer for our students. We have the top-of-the-line software, industry standard. SolidWorks and Mastercam are our two primaries. Around here, I'm not aware of anybody else that does anything like it. Typically speaking, when students leave here, they have entry-level machine shop skills. They can go to a variety of places. There are a lot of businesses in the area that employ our students. Some students just prefer to do manual machining when they leave. Maybe they're not computer savvy or have no desire to live their life in front of a computer or deal with computers. So there are plenty of manual machining shops where they can go to. For someone that was on the fence, I would invite them to come and spend a full day here with us. We always will open our door to anybody that wants to spend an hour to a full 8-hour day with us and see what the student experience is like.